Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this pretty earrings. It's very easy and quick to do even for absolute beginners, as I'll be using basic crochet stitches like single crochets and chain stitches. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials needed in order to make these earrings are a 2.5 mm crochet hook and a 1.6 mm crochet hook. These are the two different color 3-ply cotton yarn that I will be using to make the earring. For making this cream portion, I will be using this blue color yarn, and for giving this pretty bordering on the lower side, I will be using this green color yarn. Beads, green in color. You can go for the color of beads as per your choice depending upon the yarn that you are using. A plastic ring, the outer diameter of this measures approximately 3 centimeter. You can also go for a smaller size or a larger size of ring as per your choice. A beading needle, earring hooks, pliers and scissors. So let's begin. In order to start with the first round, I'll be using this 2.5 mm crochet hook. Now insert your hook into the ring in this way and pull up the yarn. Work one chain. Now you'll be working single crochets into the ring. So insert the hook and pull up the yarn and work a single crochet. Keeping this yarn beneath. So the sequence of the first round is to work single crochets all around the ring till the ring gets completely covered. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. So after working single crochets all the way around the ring, I have slip stitched into the first stitch. Now for the next two rounds, we'll be using a different color yarn. So I'll just cut off this yarn. Now before joining this yarn, you need to insert the beads into the yarn. I'll just show you how to do it using a beading needle. So insert the yarn to the eye of the needle and then put the beads into the needle. And slide it off to the yarn like this. So for one earring you will be needing about 12 beads. So in total I'll insert 24 beads into the yarn. So once you have inserted the beads into the yarn, using a 1.6 mm crochet hook, you'll be working the next two rows. So insert your hook into the same stitch where we had slip stitched and pull this yarn. Work one chain and going back into the same space, work one single crochet. Now keeping these two yarn beneath, just work over it. Now I'll be working one single crochet into the next 22 stitches. So just continue with the sequence till you have in total 23 single crochets. So here have done with the second row, we have worked 23 single crochets. Now for the third row, work one chain and turn your work, and in this row we'll be inserting the beads. So skip the very first single crochet, insert a bead, and into the second stitch work a single crochet. Again work one chain, insert a bead, skip the next single crochet, and into the next work one single crochet. Work one chain, insert a bead, skip the next single crochet, and going into the next work a single crochet. So this sequence will be repeating till the end of the round. So after working the last bead, slip stitch and cut the yarn. So on the back side we have worked the single crochets, and on the front side we have inserted the beads. Now what we'll do is, from the back side, just push the single crochets that you have worked inward in this way, so that the beads look more prominently visible on the front. So once you have done with this, just weave in the loose ends. Now we need to join this earring hook to the earring. In total, the left of stitches are 21. So we'll be leaving 10 stitches on this side and 10 stitches on this side, and inserting the hook on the center stitch. So using a plier, just open up this ring. And going to the center stitch, insert it like this. So once you have inserted the hook into the center stitch, turn it in this way, and using the plier, close the gap. So that it becomes more secure. So I've worked pair of earrings, and for working the second earring I have followed the same sequence as I've explained in the video. So that completes the tutorial. You can make such earrings with different color combinations of your choice and sell them online and earn a good profit. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.